Zainab was feeling bored one night. She opened YouTube and started watching random videos. Suddenly, one video title caught her eye. This video will change your life forever. Curious, she clicked on it, but the video didn't load. Instead, strange flashing lights appeared on her phone screen. Within seconds, her phone restarted by itself. When it turned back on, all her photos, videos, and messages were gone. Then a message popped up on the screen. Your test is complete. Zainab froze. Her heart started racing. Who did this? What test? Why her? She never got the answers, but from that day, she promised herself never click on mysterious links or fake videos title again. So, the moral of the story is every shiny title hides a trap. Don't fall for clickbait.